In this week's weekly tip, I am excited to share a new feature for Zillow Showcase subscribers. And that is virtual staging powered by AI. Available today on all Zillow Showcase listings that I'm going to demo one live for you here shortly. Instantly, it allows you to style eligible spaces on different designer looks, impresses your sellers with homes that can appeal to any buyer style at no extra cost. Plus, consumers seeing Showcase listings on Zillow can do their own staging to visualize potentially how the home could look if they purchase it. Let's take a look. So let's take a look. This is Christine Morford's listing in Red Bank, New Jersey. I'm going to use that as an example from our Rumson office. It's just when it's pended at 1.5 million. And by the way, she got 200. Yes, you heard me right. 200 people at a recent open house she held on this listing. Okay, so this is a Showcase listing, and how do you know it? It sort of has a much more immersive experience. It organizes all the rooms around living room, dining, etc. But let's just kind of click on any room you have here. In this case, it says stage the space. It's that button over there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Move myself over here. Go ahead and let's just click on it. And there it is. So you get different styles. There's 8 currently. So let's just say I want to go for a more of a luxury feel. I'm going to click on luxury. And now it's ready to kind of stage it. I simply have to drag this bar over here at the bottom. And that's the luxury feel. That's the original feel. And it's that simple, folks. And I can just page through all of the pictures. Here's the dining room. And again, I want to say, let's just go with the mid-century feel for this. And I go that's the original, and that's the stage one. And I think what you're seeing here is the ability, not for you necessarily as an agent, to stage a picture before you do the upload to the MLS. This is truly a way for you to demonstrate and impress your sellers that you're attracting the most amount of buyers because they can visualize being in this home with different type of virtual staging at no extra cost beyond what you pay for Showcase. Plus, buyers, when they come here and they're looking at this listing, it says stage the space. Oh, well, people are going to click on it. Let me see how it looks like with no furniture. A buyer, if I was interested in this house, I'd kind of do that kind of stuff and play around and visually get attracted to a listing that you have on Showcase. Very powerful feature, and you can go page through all of these pictures and kind of stage them. Here's the, let me go here. Let's look at this one. Let's go to a modern look. And there's a modern look. That's, well, if I can drag the button, that'd be good. That's the original look. That's the modern look. So you can literally go picture by picture for the house and kind of stage everything, visually seeing how I can change this house if I were to purchase it. Powerful feature, now available as part of Zillow Showcase through our Listing Concierge program. To learn more, simply search for Showcase. That's the link. Click it, and you'll be taken here. And you will see all the benefits of Showcase, but more importantly, you will see Bring Listings to Life Virtual Staging. You can click the Learn More button to see more examples of stuff that I talked about. And just a reminder, in case you didn't know, Zillow Showcase listings get 81% more page views, 80% more saves, and 81% more shares when compared to listings that are non-Showcase. So give it a try at listingconcierge.foxroach.com. Great day.